The beautiful thing about homeschooling is that it is the origin of all education. Within the family unit, the child begins to develop visions of how to impact the environment around them. Classrooms without walls provide children a constructive outlet for their inner adventure to be cultivated in a creative way. Allowing children to be self-directed benefits their identity as sovereign human beings, naturally inheriting a whole and healthy conscience with an ability to create society and not blame it. Peace, love, and light.
Work song turned to a ballad hit. Everybody's happiness, many parties, happy kids. Imagine this nation grip like the way flowers pick. Picture us all in the sunset. Across the earth shine oneness. Life is togetherness. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We are all connected. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We are all connected. Connected dances, we hold our hands like a message crammed in the bottle of sand.
Central America?
A wing or a clam make Shatterberg ladies take trim. Cross oceans, deserts, land in hip-hop, hippopotamus as we stand as one. Part of me is part of you, you can't never be apart from the same jam. Connected like artists to the fans. A cat's cakewalk, go to blah blah. It's the last.
Look at effect like you trying to put it back on there. Put it in your
see the oceans dance created to the creations. With the touch of like pink ones, the fire, dreams of ice and cream. To all elements combined, everyone sing. Everyone sing. Everyone sing. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We are all connected. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We are all connected. We are all connected. Nous sommes tous connectés. Estamos todos conectados. Todos estamos conectados. We are all connected. Nous sommes tous connectés. Estamos todos conectados. Yeah. Todos estamos conectados.